This thing is gonna be on the edge of exit 6. And you're gonna be there, base gear and everything. So, what you do, if you want to get up the blob, there's no way to get up on the top of it. So you have to get up on the side. Make sure you're doing small little steps there. And then I put a rope on there, like you see, to hold yourself on, because this is going to be the scariest thing in the world. So you gotta get up there, slowly but surely. Then when you're up there, make sure your legs are almost at the end. You'll see the little line there. There should your legs. Okay, then you throw away the rope whenever you're ready. And then you have two options. You have the bad option and the good option. The good option is that you don't sit up straight. You lay all the way back. Try to hit the blob with your head and your arms on the side like this. Yep, that's the way to do it. Because then you will be pushed on the shoulders and on the rig, so your rotation will be forwards. If you sit up straight, you will be pushed on the buttocks and you will rotate backwards. Whoa! Which is way more scary and way more unstable. So try to get back on the blob as far as you can, eyes wide, your arms wide out, and that's the way you're going to be launched. Then you give the thumbs up and people go 3, 2, 1, and then whoop, you go forward. So when you're up at scaffolding, make sure you're with at least 2 people. Because with 2 people, this guy launches way and way higher. So you should be with the 2 of you. But coordinate it well, that you do a 3, 2, 1. Then you jump off with the 2 exactly at the same time. You jump off, you turn, and with your shoulder or your back, you get into the blob. Don't go with the knees in or whatever. You will aim for the black part of the blob. If you aim for that, you'll be on the blob, you don't bounce off. Make sure that your buddy is okay. So ask for a thumbs up. Because if he doesn't give a thumbs up, you jump anyway, it might be happening that he's not ready and he's sitting up straight or he's not in a good position. So wait for the thumbs up, then you go with your very, very loud 3, 2, 1, and then you launch him to freedom. Woo! Guys, we've been testing the blob on the stunt team. There is a way to get only up and down, and that is if you put any body part over this line. Do not, in any situation, put your body parts over this line and then launch, because then you will go straight up, straight down. Only anything forward, all your body parts for this line. Then you will go forward, always, every single time. We have been testing this on Stunt Team de Beukelaar. Thank you so much for having me testing the blob for the safety of our base jumpers. So, very, very, very important. Do not get your body over this line because you will die. Have fun! So, thank you so much for the SBK club. Brit, Stein, Kim, everyone involved. You did it again this year. They made it happen. Thank you so much for having me and having the blob and all the fire. We gotta do some fire too. So, come to the heli boogie. Do not miss this. This is gonna be the circus of your life. Bring crazy outfits, bring cool outfits for the end party, because we have a full costume end party. This is gonna be awesome. And if you have any ideas what to bring on Heli Boogie 2019, please contact me, because JP de Kam, me, is trying to get you guys on the coolest way ever from Kierach Rock. Yes? Thank you so much and see you in Lisbon. Ciao.